Hello students, welcome to social science class. Now second lesson, our India physical diversity. So students, which is our country? India. India is our country. It has variety of physical features such as Himalayan mountain ranges, very high peaks, plateaus, vast plains, river systems, desert, coastal plains and islands. Together they make India our country, which is unique in its natural setting. Physical division of India. Look at the map. It shows the major physical division of India. With the help of this map, you can easily identify the varied physical feature of India. What do you see in the map? When you look at the land surface of India, don't you notice the differences from one region to another? You see various types of landforms such as mountains, hills, plains, plateaus, valleys, etc. These differences that we can see on the land surfaces are known as physical features. Now let us study about the major physical division of India. First one, the northern mountains. They consist mostly of the Himalayan ranges. When you look at the northern part of the map, you will notice that the Himalayan ranges extend from Kashmir to Meghalaya. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Now, characteristics of Himalayan ranges. What are characteristics of Himalayan ranges? They covered with snow, hence they are Himalayas. Even they have many high peaks. There are many deep valleys and gorges. They are glaciers and highest mountain passes. They are hot springs and there is a variety of plants and animal species. So even they are covered with snow, hence they are called Himalayas. These are the characteristics of Himalayan ranges. Advantages of Himalayas. What are the advantages of Himalayas? Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia blowing into India. They are the sources of many North Indian rivers. They check the monsoon winds and cause heavy rainfall. Mountain range. What is mountain range? A mountain range is a group of or chain of mountains found close together and extend to thousands of kilometers. This is mountain range, and their population is also less because of the severe cold in the Himalayan ranges. And the Indus, the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Brahmaputra rivers have their source in the Himalayan ranges. This is mountain range. Second one, the northern plains. When we talk about the plains, we remember a playground. Usually, a playground is plain in level with no obstruction to play games. Similarly, there are plains located to the south of Himalayan ranges. They are very vast, fertile and in level. The Satluj, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries flow through these plains. The soil of these plains is very fertile due to the deposition of the aluminium by the rivers. Crops such as wheat, paddy, maize, sugarcane, etc. are grown here. These fertile plains are known as the food storehouse of India. Wherever there are river plains, there is plenty of water. Therefore, agriculture, rearing of animals, transport facilities, trade, and industries are developed. Hence, these plains are densely populated. Observe these pictures. Where do you find them in India? The availability of different types of rocks, sand, metal, wood, plant fibers, soil, idle site, helped in the development of architecture. For example, Huge palaces were constructed in Rajasthan. The Taj Mahal. It is in Agra. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal in Agra was built by using marble rock.